Iya.
Right, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, I'm a banda. Today we got a passenger around the world. His name is Mr. Ryan, one of English partners in Banda Aceh. Want to teach us about English. Alright, today I will explain about which one was my interest visit in Aceh exactly nowadays. I can come back. There's only 3 times, 3 places. I never have been there, and I never have been to promote that 5 countries. Aceh Singkil, Semulu Island, Pulau Bayan. But in Aceh, Great Aceh, South Aceh, East Aceh, every places in Aceh nowadays have been promote the 5 countries with foreign language nowadays. I have been, while apparently the most vulnerable in my life at the time. I've been back 2019 at the time, August. I forgot that, but I remember that last year, last year, I promoted that 5 countries. This is like, Grand Canyon, that look like from United States. The very tall people there, Kuala Pareng. When you go there, Aceh Tami, Aceh Tami yang is Aceh, very far away from Banda Aceh, 12 hours from Banda Aceh. But Aceh Tourism office invited me to join that country. Invited me because I want more membership in Aceh, HPI English Club, HPI English Association. So how we promote that, tourism, which one the bad, one is good, one not good, like that. And to promote a lot of tourists worldwide nowadays. And then talking about Great Aceh. Great Aceh, very tall, wonderful, panorama of Great Aceh. But Banda Aceh just only like, Masjid Ramos, Masjid Tsunami with you, and then Aceh with you, and then Gunungan. You know what? It's only in Aceh nowadays, worldwide nowadays, it's only in Aceh has Tsunami with you. But at the time, when I got from Japan at the time, Japan has, tsunami happen every single year, every single year. But there's just people who don't want to remind that, don't want to, recovering that from the tsunami. They don't remember that tsunami. But Aceh, why every single year, December 26, 2020, 2019, or 2018, or 2016, every single year, we have to try to God that, remembering that. I have known that why, because I explained that, tourists from Japan at the time, this is Aceh. That happened is blessing from God. We don't have to invite God, we don't have to pray to God, we have merciful for God. You can imagine that? Yeah, this is a blessing for us. Why this also happened in Aceh? God loves Aceh people. That's because, before tsunami, Aceh is a conflict of the tsunami disaster, Aceh peace between Aceh and Indonesia. And we have seen it 15 August. And then Sabang Island, very totally awesome, but Pulau Nasi, Pulau Bru, Pulau Aceh, I never been there. But one day I will visit there. I'm going to promote William Torrent Tower 5 countries. There's only 2 towers around the world nowadays. Number 1 is Handang Hut, then Hut in Netherlands. Second is Pulau Aceh. This is William Tower. It established in 1899. 1889. Established. At the time, I forgot the Torrent. We call that William Torrent Tower. Very wonderful. Why the Netherlands built that? Because for control every enemy gets at the time. Because very lot of enemy inside into Aceh. Not only Portuguese but also Spain, British, UK, Portuguese, every people like that, including Japan, visit Aceh at the time. Alright, that's my time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright,